You're dealing with Pentacles energy, which is Earth. So Virgo, Capricorn and Taurus has to be prevalent in their birth chart. I feel like they drive a black car or a black SUV. This is somebody who's very, very hardworking. This is somebody who has their own business. This is somebody who I feel has darker hair because it's Pentacles energy, so it's Earth energy. And Earth is connected with... I look very earthy, so the darker hair, the darker eyes, probably not as dark as mine, olivey skin, and for the man, some facial hair. So that is the masculine energy. Let's pull out the feminine energy, who this is for. I actually feel like the woman in this has darker hair too. Or if you're both men, both women, the masculine and the female energy both have darker hair. I do feel like the woman, the feminine, more feminine energy has children maybe. They actually could both have children. Right, now the issues with the third party, I do feel like as well that there's other people. Right, okay, this person loves watching you, by the way. They're so attracted to you. I feel like you're fire. I feel like you're fire. I'm feeling a little bit of water coming through, and actually I've got Queen of Cups in the cards, so I do have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio in the cards, but to me you come through as more of a fire energy. So you come through as a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, and I think the reason you come through like that is because you're actually really magnetic and you're very attractive and your aura glows. There's something about you. I feel like you're the type of person when you walk in a room, people notice you. This person has a lot of people around them, so this is somebody who deals with people in their work. So this is someone either like a DJ, a promoter, someone who runs some kind of club, but there are people around them. I can see it a lot. What else am I pulling through, because I want to be as specific as possible in this reading. This person, when they start this relationship with you, their fear has been that their whole world is going to break down. So I'm wondering if they're coming from, I don't know, but that's their fear. But so when they come to you, they will take kind of this leap of faith. I'm seeing someone who has worn their hair in a ponytail, either two or one, someone who puts their hair up in a pony. I'm seeing someone, for some reason, flowers are significant here, yellow flowers and also poppies, or like small red flowers. What else can I pull through? I'm going to try and be as specific as I can. I know you like it when I'm specific, guys. Oh my God, look what just came out, the Queen of Wands. You really do feel like this one's energy. For some of you, you've even got the fringe there. See how she's slay. That is the original slay queen, right? The Queen of Wands. You know, you are a planner, leader, visionary. You definitely have your own hustle going on. You are definitely the female boss, because the Queen of Wands is... What else can I pick up? Leave it with me a minute. This person knows that in choosing a future with you, that is the right option for them. But it's difficult for some reason. But they know that ultimately that is the right option for them, and they very soon will come through. Now, for me, I'm feeling like in 2 months, not 2 months, in 2 weeks. All right, I'm going to split it for some of you, but it's 2 weeks. For some of you, it's going to be 2 months. There will definitely be rabbits. Is also, they're showing me a rabbit. Someone may have a rabbit. This is going to be prevalent for you. So does someone have a green coat or a green dress on that's watching this video now? I feel like I can see that. So 2 weeks or 2 months, they are going to reach out. Almost like it's, as in, yeah, look, communication. This person has a huge crush on you and the world, because they really, right now, they have decided that they want you, but they're in the process of ending that out in order to start pursuing you again. You know, they love you and they miss you and they want you. They just want to be with you, and they will do what it takes to be with you. Initials DA. U-S, I know U's unusual, isn't it? D-A-U-S-J, oh, there's that J again. J, B? Is that B or a P? Can't make it out, B or a P.